Welcome back. Today we're looking at this garage light. Link down below. I can't show you the actual light because it's already installed. I need to order more. It's freaking awesome. Links in the description. If you have any questions, leave them in the comments. Let's check it out. All right, today we are looking at this 12,000 lumen light for the garage. Theoretically, you could put it anywhere, but I did in fact get it for the garage. '96 LED garage light. You can adjust the angles. It's pretty simple. It's got a little protector. I don't know how to get it off. Just pulls off. Let's show you the light in the garage as it sits right now. And let's pop this in and show you again. Here's my garage right now. Standard light bulbs, just two. I only bought one bulb because I assume it's gonna be super bright. So we're gonna replace one and see the difference. Holy cow. You probably can't tell on the video, but it is so much brighter in here. The bulb is a different shade of white. It's probably like a 5,000 versus like a normal yellow incandescent, which is like a 2600. But you can definitely, it is so much brighter in here with that light. I am thrilled with it. Holy cow.